Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jay back for another episode of the 6-week house flip. This is week 10, and we hitting the final lap of this flip. I know we far and few behind, but let me just show y'all what's going on. Quick update. Okay, so we're in the process of painting this door. What's up? Got the flooring paint done. Cabinets is in. Granite's supposed to come in tomorrow. Appliances should be coming later on this week. Let's see what the basement looking like. Painting looks pretty much done. All right, got the doors up, painted real nice. Got this door that we framed up and painted. And the bathroom, painted this door. We put in the vinyl plank flooring. Vanity is going in today. Toilet is being installed as well. Just the final finishing touches to round out as we head towards the finish line. All right. Okay. So that's downstairs. And I started to paint the doors. Got to put the final touches on that as we speak. We got the carpet on the stairs. Actually, let me take off my shoes before I go up there. Make sure it stays fresh, even though we got the plastic on. So the carpet is in. Gives it a nice homey feel. Vanity is being installed today. Mirror, lights, the whole shebang. The finishing touches of this vanity, this closet, linen closet is going to be done as well. But so far, so good. Looking good. Should finish in about, I would say, like a week, 2 weeks tops. But it feels a lot better with the carpet and everything finally coming into play. Feels like a home in here with the carpet. I got my electrician scheduled to come in to tie up the loose ends as far as putting the outlets in and the switches. So that's probably him texting me now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Got the light fixtures that came in. It's gonna be in this week. All finishes. So switches, outlets, lights, even the door handles. All of that is coming in to be finished within the next 10 days. We should be rocking and rolling and out of here and ready to be live on the market. But all in all, this was a very, very interesting project, man. It's a lot of ups and downs. I like to think that each project is different. Even though these townhouses got the similar layout, they all present unique challenges, such as this one. But I'm gonna give a recap once it's finally done and live on the market. But ultimately, I like how it came out. Let me know what y'all think. We got the vanity mirror that came in, 24-inch vanity. Then we got, this is heavy. This might be the faucets. Or the door handles, I don't know. Let's It's looking more like door handles. Let's see. Yeah, we got the squared door handles. Faucet should be in one of these boxes, but all the finishes is here. Outlets is in this box. If y'all can't see, we get all our finishes off of Amazon, alright? That's a cheat code for y'all that don't know. Amazon got a lot of good, nice looking finishes and quality products. So definitely, if y'all don't know, Amazon is where to go for your finishes. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So we head towards the finish line. We're gonna have a nice little panel. I decided to use this wall as an accent wall. Let's put the paneling in. But other than that, that's pretty much wraps up week 10 of the 6-week house flip. And y'all new to the channel, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all feedback is in the comment section. And hopefully I shall see y'all next week for the finale of this final project. All right, see y'all on the next one. Stay tuned. Peace.